I guess first things first, I want to know as much as possible about what everybody calls the Van Meter monster.
So to me, the Van Meter monster is what these gentlemen saw, shot at, and people were terrorized over that week in 1903. When it's described, it is a over 8-foot bat-like creature. But some of the stories, it had movements like a parrot or a kangaroo, that sort of thing. So that's their descriptions. There's even pictures where it looks like a humanoid, if that's what you want to call it.
You got it?
You got it on your phone? I was just about to try to unwind.
Dude.
No way.
That is the second one within like a minute.
Scared? Or was there something else that made them like not want to be in there anymore?
That's just it, man. I mean, they said that the mine itself was haunted. Like they didn't want to be in there because it sounded like Satan himself.
I can't talk again. Really. That's right out there. I saw something, but I can't freaking put words together.
I've never been so terrified to walk down a road.